And so the Septuagint, it reads something like this. It says, Elotosas, you have made lower atzon, him, which is man. You've made man a little lower. Braki, which is a little. T, again, a little. Braki, T. You've made him a little lower, para, than angelus, the angels. Now that's interesting because, again, Elohim can mean many different things, but angelus cannot mean many different things. And what you typically don't see is an original vague, or excuse me, what you do typically see is an original vague term being moved into the Septuagint or into the Aramaic Targum as a specific term because they're interpreting it. What you don't see is a very specific term in the Hebrew that is then moved into a later translation like the Septuagint or the Aramaic Targums that becomes more general. Instead, what you're going to see is you're going to see a vague term in Hebrew that's then turned into a very specific term in the translation, which means that vague Elohim term is almost definitely the original, and the angelus, the angels, might be what it's talking about, but it's definitely not what was originally written, and that's what we're going to see in the Aramaic Targum. So let's take a look and continue with the Septuagint. It says doxe, which is glory, ke and time, and honor, astrophanosas, you have crowned atzon, him. Now I'll switch over to our Aramaic Targum.